Have you ever seen a NASCAR pit stop? Pit stops give the driver the ability to pull up to the pit where all of the tools and equipment are readily available to rapidly get back onto the track. Agile combat employment is the Air Force's version of a pit stop, rapidly getting the aircraft back into the fight.
For decades, fuels operators have went through pit stop after pit stop, continually doing the same tasks. Fuel in equals planes up. Every international operation requires several tons of equipment that cost up to $100,000 just to make it to the desired destination.
To get the job done, this is the way we've always done it. But our warfighters have rapidly evolved since the legacy system was put into place. There may come a time when a tight budget and a large equipment footprint will cause combatant commanders to make tough choices when time is simply not a luxury. The next major conflict can come from any number of global hotspots.
In steps the Viper kit. Our leaders can keep the jets in the air while dialing down the amount of cash and equipment that we need to do so.
Our invention accomplishes the same thing that we currently do for every airframe. It adheres to environmental standards, has built-in controls to mitigate safety issues, and, unlike the current method, it exploits available infrastructure.
Currently, it takes 4.5 hours to drain and purge one fuel truck per shipment. The Viper kit, however, can be mobile at a moment's notice, taking only 10 minutes to drain and purge.
But it's 6 times smaller, 14 times lighter, 85% less expensive, requires 50% less manpower to operate, and can fill a running jet in just 12 minutes. More importantly, it has a permanent effect. It prevents us from losing money during every international mission.
The Viper kit is already built, it works, and we fully tested to make sure it's safe. If implemented, our Air Force can rapidly project combat air power internationally with 1/10 of the current footprint and avoiding $32 million in annual costs. All that while keeping the aircraft fueled to fight.
We're asking for our Air Force to adopt this into its centrally managed equipment program and to equip the entire force. In order to do that, we're asking for $2 million. This includes units, delivery, and initial sustainment cost.
Our Air Force has been able to survive using the old way. But are you willing to trade $2 million for a permanent enhancement to our agility? All we need is a quicker, more agile pit stop.